there. Happy Easter. Happy Sunday. I'm Kalor, and I'm here this evening just to share a very simple breathing practice with you as a way of just rebalancing and resetting and kind of restoring your internal space from your weekend and the week that's already happened so that you can kind of move into this upcoming week just kind of calm and clear, grounded, and ready for whatever comes. And so you'll take your seat, and of course, as always, you can do this practice if you prefer, laying down or standing up, or in whatever situation you're in. The nice thing is you really don't need anything fancy because all you're doing is you're working with what you already have, with this body of yours and with your breath. So once you're sort of created your physical space, you're welcome to just kind of close your eyes and let your hands just fall wherever they may. And take a breath in through your nose, really just filling up. And then open your mouth, just kind of let it wash out. And you'll just do this a couple times. Long, big breath in through the nose. Out of the mouth, let it go. And just one more time, nice and easy on the in. And on the out, let it go. And just let your lips close. You're going to breathe tonight, today, wherever you are, whenever you are, in and out through your nose, if at all possible. In and out through the nose. Just your normal, natural, unefforted breath. Just your quiet, organic breathing. And let your body just kind of settle down toward the ground wherever you are. So letting the shoulders kind of soften down your back. And feeling into those places where your body's in contact with the ground and kind of settling a little more into that feel of support. And then letting your attention just very gently kind of circle back around to your breath. And remember, it's just your natural breath. Just in through the nose, out through the nose, easy and free. And maybe even it's just for the first time today, quite simply, just knowing that you're breathing, really getting to know your breath in a more familiar, kind of intimate way. It might be helpful to just sort of pinpoint for yourself, maybe where you feel your breath most easily happening. Maybe it's your nose, or your chest, or your throat, or your low belly. Anywhere in between. And then just kind of bring your attention to the tip of your nose for just a little while into your breath that's currently flowing in and out through your nostrils. Just there in that space. Noticing if there is a particular texture or velocity or even a smell, anything that you're experiencing there with your breath. Tip of your nose. And just almost like you're following your breath as though it were a river, just kind of carrying your awareness from the tip of your nose. Follow your breath in through your nose and just kind of into that space at the back of your throat. And just kind of linger there. Your breath is going to flow naturally. Just let it do its thing, but let your attention linger there, kind of in your throat space where your breath is moving in and out. And just taking some time to sort of feel in, to get to know your breath as it moves in this space. The qualities, the textures. Maybe there's a feel almost like velvet or a brushing sensation. Maybe there's a sound. And you as you are, your breath as it is, everything as it is, nothing to change or make happen. And again, just kind of being with your breath, almost as though it were just a stream sort of carrying you along the way, kind of from that space of your throat. Just follow your breath as it moves into the space of your chest, into the space of your chest, around your heart, your collarbones. And just continuing to allow the breath to move as it does. Let your attention linger in this space of your chest, space around your heart, as your breath flows in and out. And just noticing the sensations that come and go alongside your breath in this space, the qualities. Maybe the way your breath makes your body feel, that kind of sense of expansion with every inhale and stretch along your chest. And kind of that, almost that feel of softening, of melting with every exhale in this space. Just feeling what you feel, feeling what's here, all as it is, you as you are. As your breath swirls and moves around the space of your heart. And just continuing to ride the wave of your breath as a surfer might, just kind of follow your breath now from that space of your heart down into your belly, your breath down into your belly. Maybe there around your lower ribs, your diaphragm, your belly button, just kind of down in that belly space. Linger with your breath there. And if you find it helpful, you might do as I'm doing, kind of putting your hand or your hands on your body, maybe on your belly in that space if it helps you connect there, or feel into your breath as it flows. Just letting the breath do what it does, but just bringing your attention there into that belly space. Belly filling with every inhale, emptying with every exhale. belly rise and fall. And just feeling what you feel. Nothing to figure out or make happen. Just feeling that movement, that flow, that rhythm that's yours and yours alone. And then just staying with the breath exactly as it is and exactly as you are. Just sort of zoom your awareness out just a little bit, kind of widen your lens. Just enough so that you can feel your whole body breathing. So rather than pinpointing your attention anywhere in particular, just kind of zoom out and feel your body as a whole, breathing in with each inhale, breathing out with each exhale. And just a reminder, just your natural breath, let it do what it does. You just kind of watching that rhythmic flow. Almost like waves washing in, washing out, all on their own. And if it helps to anchor your attention for just a little while, you might even just kind of silently say to yourself, I'm breathing in, I'm breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Just watching your breath as it flows. Feeling your body as a whole. Body breathing in. Body breathing out. Body filling up. Body emptying. Expanding. And softening. Just linger a little while with your flow. And whenever it feels right for you, you're welcome to just blink your eyes open. Let your attention just kind of return to the space that you're in, taking in the sights and the sounds, the sensations, smells, tastes and textures. And just kind of bringing this newfound, perhaps, feel of connection, of grounding, of peacefulness with you into the rest of your day and the rest of your week and far beyond it. I look forward to breathing with you and connecting with you again soon. Thank you.